some?
Yeah.
Don't give them the whole cup. We want you to rub them. Oh. Oh.
You did it? He's so excited. One more. The big one. Wait. Okay, one more. Hey. Record me again. Hold it this way.
You make a great mother. I just live in rodent.
It's a rodent?
What is that?
What's the name of it? Oh, you read it on the poster.
Yeah. That's what I was doing when you called me.
They look so angry though. Maybe because we're not feeding them.
Let's feed them.
You can't feed them. I want to ride the horse. Look at him. Look at him.
Did we lose Bianca?
What are these? Oh, alpacas. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's some more animals over there. Maybe I didn't even get to record. These are ponies.
You're not going in there? No? I got something
They didn't have horses. Cause my fat ass can't ride them.
Well, we didn't play football. Hey, get back here. Hey. That way. They're in the trailer, not that way.
I can't.
Wrong end. It's so hard to find a good ham bone these days. So we got some bad to the bone pigs. We're gonna need some bad to the bone music. Number one, we got the notorious P.I.G. Sorry about that. He loves it when you call him Pig Papa. Thank you, Amber. Number two, Snoop Hoggy Hog. Number three, coming around the outside, Mr. Not So Slim Shady. Number four, Taylor, Not So Swift. You'll see that later on the tracks, folks. She ain't swift at all. And number five, our very own legendary Shaye. Bacon, but that was kind of weak. I think y'all can do better. I said shake it. Bacon. All right, we got 5 pigs. We're gonna need 5 more pig rooters. Hold up. There is is a catch. What you gotta have to qualify for these races is a big old pot belly. So you gotta.
You realize every ball you throw represents what he shows you. Every single one. Come on, Daddy. Let's see what you got to the table. But the reason I can't just now we're talking.
Really going up there.
That's not gonna stop.
Yep. I'm recording You see that?
Again?
You want one? Ooh, the last. Fly on.
When you put that on?
You ain't catch none down.
Now get that to the lady.
Keep it sideways.
Vamos, Checona, vamos, Franchi. Dele, 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 dele. Oh, you ready?
Woohoo! You can do it! No. I'm gonna need a little more effort. I'm gonna need a little more effort. Come on now, this is what you too much you wanted to do. Now you great, you better climb. Look, there you go. Get your hand, you got one right here. Yeah, right.
Where?
Right here. You gotta get over there. Come on now. Come on now. You need to get your ass up there. Come on. Come on, you.
This is the only one I have to do.
Okay, now stand up. But then why you? If you can't grip it there, grip it here on the outside and pull.
I
don't know what to say.
don't know what I'm doing.
I'm gonna give you an A for effort.
I want to try that.
I see if you can come to the front. Excuse me, ma'am. She want to know if she can come to the front side.
Yeah.
Give her a second.
Stop right there and I'll stop there.
I need you to focus. Look. I need you to focus at the task on hand. Don't worry about the camera and the cameraman. I need you to get up this wall. God damn it. Let's see how far you get. You're doing good. You're doing good. You got it. That's good. You did good. You nervous?
Hey, you scared of heights? You got 5 feet off the ground.
You did good. We're in the kiddie zone.
Hey, if I get 2 more players, we good for
That's why I don't talk in my videos when I do vlogs, because I had fun last night. I got in around 1 o'clock. I missed my 10 o'clock class and my 11 o'clock class. I don't care. I had a lot of fun. So it's back to the basics, you guys. Back to the wig. You know, I couldn't go to the fair with no wig, bitch. My wig might have been snatched. So, you know, you guys got to see my real hair again. So that's it. Until another freaking video. See you next time, Jewels and Gems. Peace out.